Welcome to the mesmerizing world of ants, where tiny creatures create massive societies that rival even our own. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating facts about ants, uncovering their incredible abilities, complex social structures, and remarkable behaviors. Ants belong to the family Formicidae, and with over 12,000 known species, they're found on every continent except Antarctica. These industrious insects play crucial roles in ecosystems, from aerating soil to dispersing seeds. One of the most astonishing abilities of ants is their incredible strength. Despite their tiny size, some ants can carry objects up to 50 times heavier than their own body weight. This feat is made possible by their unique muscle structure and coordinated teamwork. Communication is key in the world of ants. These social insects use a variety of methods to convey messages, including chemical signals known as pheromones. By leaving trails of pheromones, ants can communicate important information such as the location of food sources or the presence of danger. At the heart of every ant colony is the queen. She's responsible for laying eggs, which hatch into the various castes of workers, soldiers, and reproductives. Some ant queens can live for several years and produce millions of offspring during their lifetime. Certain species of ants are known for their remarkable hunting strategies. Take, for example, army ants. These relentless predators move in swarms, devouring everything in their path. Their sheer numbers and coordinated attacks make them a force to be reckoned with in the animal kingdom. Leafcutter ants are another extraordinary example of ant behavior. These ants meticulously cut leaves and carry them back to their underground nests. But they're not eating the leaves themselves. Instead, they use them to cultivate a fungus, which serves as their primary food source. Weaver ants showcase impressive engineering skills. They build elaborate nests by weaving leaves together using silk produced by their larvae. These nests provide protection from predators and the elements, demonstrating the remarkable adaptability of ants. When faced with obstacles, ants demonstrate incredible problem-solving abilities. Army ants, for example, can create living bridges by linking their bodies together, allowing the colony to traverse gaps and navigate challenging terrain. Honeypot ants have a unique way of storing food for lean times. Some worker ants have specialized abdomens that can swell to the size of grapes, serving as living storage containers for nectar and other food resources. Ant colonies are not always peaceful. Territorial disputes between neighboring colonies can escalate into fierce battles, with ants using their mandibles and chemical defenses to defend their territory and resources. From their incredible strength and teamwork to their complex social structures and ingenious behaviors, ants continue to captivate and inspire us. As we delve deeper into the astonishing world of ants, we gain a greater appreciation for these tiny wonders of nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of ants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring.